These incredible pictures show how a man's head was expanded like a balloon for groundbreaking surgery. Doctors used the extraordinary method to stretch Chris Stoyanov's skin over his scalp after some was removed along with the tumor. A special bag was inserted and gradually filled with fluid until it was the size of a grapefruit. Amazingly, 30-year-old Mr. Stoyanov, from Worthing, West Sussex, lived with the large growth on his head for 6 months, and had to be extra careful in case he accidentally burst it. The builder admitted it wasn't easy, especially when it came to going to sleep at night. But the procedure, performed by plastic surgeon Niall Kirkpatrick, proved a huge success and the skin on the back of his head was stretched enough to cover his entire scalp. Mr. Stoyanov said, "It was very uncomfortable and as it got bigger I had to be more and more careful that it didn't burst. It was a difficult 6 months but I managed to take things very slowly and carefully and it's proved a huge success." The procedure came after Mr. Stoyanov had endured 17 years of operations. He was 13 when a fatty cyst appeared on the crown of his head and despite numerous surgeries in Bulgaria, medics were unable to remove it for good. Mr. Stoyanov explained, "After a few years, it just grew back again. I went back and forth from hospital. Surgeons would keep removing the tumor and the skin around it. They had to use skin grafts from my legs to cover the patches and my hair never grew back so I spent nearly 7 years in baseball caps." Mr. Stoyanov finally gave up on treatment in Bulgaria and moved to the UK in 2009. 2 years later he consulted his local GP who referred him to specialists in London. Alarmingly, he was told that if the tumor was left to grow untreated it could eventually pierce his skull and prove life-threatening. But surgeons then discovered that previous attempts had not removed all the tumor tissue, which is why it had been growing back. In order to get rid of it all they had to take away as much as 23 centimeters of skin from Mr. Stoyanov's head which was replaced with a skin graft from his thigh. It wasn't an ideal solution. Mr. Stoyanov was left with a huge bald patch and was told his hair would not grow back. But a year later, surgeon Niall Kirkpatrick came up with an innovative solution to his problem.